In this video, I'm going to show you how to download minions in GTA 5. Here it is. So I'm going to demonstrate first how the skin reacts and how the animation works with the skin. So when he rides a car, this is what he looks like. It's kinda, and this is what he looks like if he was fighting here. This is what the animation looks like. And when he's riding a motorcycle, this is what he looks like. He just blends in with the whole motorcycle, just like that. So let's start downloading this skin and let's follow through. So first let's open a Google Chrome over here. Then you want to type in here GTA 5 minions mod, and here you're gonna select this pack. You have to select this one, and then you're gonna click download. Then go here and just type in add-on peds 3.0.1 and go to this website and download this one. Then go here and download script hook V. Then go here and download scripthookv.net. Here you're gonna go down and just find the version 2.10.5, this one. Then download this one. Then download OpenIV. Download OpenIV. And I think that should be it. Let me see here. You're also gonna need to download native UI. To download this software, this is the last one. So let me just check. That should be it. So after you downloaded all these softwares, we're gonna start the installation process. So I have the folders here and I'm gonna open the GTA 5 folder over here, and then I'm gonna close this down. To install the skin, first we're gonna install the OpenIV, so just click on it and go through the installation process. Then accept and continue. So after it installs finish, you can just close it down and just you should be able to find it on your desktop over here. Just open it from your desktop, choose GTA 5. Then here it's asking for the GTA 5 location. So the location of the GTA 5 folder, so it's basically this one. Just copy this one and go to browse and paste it here. Then continue. continue. Then once you are on this page, you can go to Tools and ASI Manager. And then you're gonna install these plugins here. So install this one, this one, and this one. As you can see, I already have them installed, so I can just close this. And then you can close this and just delete this because we already finished it. So now we're gonna go to here and just create a new folder and name it scripts. So just like this one, as you can see, I already have it. So create a folder, name it scripts, and go inside, and then go to native UI and just copy this one and paste it here. Now you can just leave this and delete this folder. You're done with it. Now you can go to scripthookv.net and copy this folder, this one, and this one. Then paste it inside of your GTA 5 folder. Then you can leave and delete this one. Go to scripthookv, inside of bin, copy this, this, and this, and paste it here. Now you can just delete this now. Here we're gonna extract both of these folders. Extract all. And after extracting them, just delete these folders. And now we're gonna go and inside of add-on pads, copy this one and this one, paste it inside of your GTA 5 folder like this, and go inside of scripts, copy this one inside of scripts and just paste it here. And then you're gonna go to DLC packs. So before you go to DLC packs, create a folder and name it mods, just like this, and then inside of it create an update folder, and then create an x64 folder, and then create DLC packs folder. After this you can go to DLC packs here and copy this one and paste it here. And now you can just leave this place and leave this. So now we're gonna go to OpenIV. Go to OpenIV, GTA 5. Wait for this to load. And then you're gonna go here and go to, first of all, enable the edit mode. Just click on it, click yes, and here you're gonna go to update, and here you're gonna click show in mods. Sometimes it would say copy in mods, so click copy in mods, but for me it's showing show in mods, so just click on it and then go to common and data, and down to find DLC list.xml, right click and edit. Down here you're gonna add this line. So this line I already added, that's why it's here. So normally you wouldn't see it. So what you would do is just copy this one and paste it here, and just remove this one and add on pads, just like this, add on pads, and click save. After this you can just go to GTA 5 folder and just minimize this a little bit, and here you can just leave this and just delete this folder. You're done with it. Then you can go to minions, and minions here is where you upload the skins. So if you go to here, you'll find so many skins. So to upload the skins, you should go to mods, update, x64 DLC packs, add-on peds, DLC peds, and here you'll find existing skins. So I recommend deleting these so you don't have too many skins, as this could crash your game. Try to have just 1 or 2 skins at a time. So here there's plenty of skins, so what we're gonna do is copy just 2 skins so the game doesn't crash. So what you're gonna do is copy, let's say, minion, and find the 2 other minion, this one and this one. So I selected these 4 and I'm just gonna drag them in. And now I'm gonna add another skin, which is the minion police. So I'm gonna choose minion police, minion police, minion police, and minion police. So as you can see, I'll just grab it and paste, hold it and drag it. So each skin, it has like 4 folders. So you're gonna have to find, let's say for minion soldier, find the 4 folders of these, just place them here. After this, you can just close this down and close this down. Actually, we're gonna need this opened. We're gonna still need this. Keep this open. So now inside of your GTA folder, you should be able to see add-on peds editor. Right click and run as administrator. Yes. And here you should normally not see this because I already have the mod. You should either see empty or just see pre-installed skins. So you should click on peds and new ped. Here you're gonna put the name of the skin. So we have chosen minion, so we're gonna copy minion and place it here and choose male and false, and then add ped. We're gonna add the second skin that we added. So we added minion police, this one. So we're gonna copy this one and paste it here and choose male and false and add ped. Then select rebuild. Now you can just close everything down here. So before you launch your game, make sure you have this enabled, the launch options enabled, and make sure you have no battle eye dash no battle eye. Then launch the game. So after launching the game, to activate the skin, just press L and you're gonna see this menu. Go to add-on pets and here you'll see 2 skins, minion and minion police. So choose minion and this will give you the normal minion skin. As you can see, this is the normal one. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. There's plenty of animation here. So I also have this minion police here. So this is what minion police looks like. This is a different skin. Looks like he is wearing a cop's badge here. So if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this where I show you how to install skins on GTA 5, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe at the same time, and that's it.